aso?
Ayun po.
Ano nangyari sa kanya?
Para ano? Ambon!
Okay, buddy. Hey, sweetheart. We got you.
Aalagaan kami doon. Tapos gagamutin kami na.
Okay, come on. That's okay. After I heard the story, and you can see in the eye that it's been stabbed. Not only the eye, part of the cheek and a portion of the neck. And the kwento is kakatayin. You can see very well that there is a need. It is urgent. Everywhere you look, there's stray cats and stray dogs, and it's so heartbreaking. You can't save them all.